Hi, my name is Vijay Kamal. I will talk about introduction and the first slide. So, what is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation of wireless communication technology offering significantly faster speeds, up to 10 Gbps, ultra low latency, as low as 1 millisecond, and the ability to connect millions of devices simultaneously. These features make it ideal for application or immersive learning with AR or VR, real-time global collaboration, and IoT-enabled smart classroom. And the next thing is beyond 5G or even 6G, expected around the 2030s, will further enhance this capability, providing even faster speeds up to 1 Tbps, AI integrated networks for smart operation, and new innovation like holographic communication and energy efficient designs. This advancement will enable more personalized, accessible, and interactive educational experience, bringing device and supporting hybrid learning models. So the first slide we have reshaping education through emerging technologies. So, breaking barriers and enhancing accessibility. Emerging technologies like 5G eliminate physical and geographical constraints, enabling remote education and seamless access to high quality resources globally, and also reliable connectivity bridges the digital divide, particularly in underserved areas, ensuring equitable access to education for all students. Next, personalized and immersive learning experience. AI-powered platform and adaptive learning tools customize education to individual student needs, which offer real-time feedback and tailored content. AR, VR, and XR provide immersive experience such as virtual labs or simulation, enhancing engagement and knowledge retention. Last but not least, equipping learners and teachers for the future. Students will gain exposure to advanced tools like AI and IoT, preparing them for technology-driven industry and global collaboration, where educators benefit from automated process and data-driven insight, allowing for more effective and personalized teaching strategies.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Dini Ikmal. So I would like to continue my part, which is seamless access to digital resources. 5G network provide the speed and reliability needed to access cloud-based learning platform, enabling students to stream high-definition educational video and engage with multimedia-rich content without delays or buffering. This seamless connectivity is especially transformative for rural areas where unreliable internet has long been a barrier to accessing quality education. In countries like Malaysia, where educational inequality persists between urban and rural regions, 5G bridged the digital divide, allowing students in remote areas to participate in virtual classroom, download large files, and use online learning tools just as effectively as their urban counterparts. So I will move to the next part, which is enhanced mobile learning apps. Mobile learning apps powered by 5G and AI are evolving into powerful tools that offer real-time interactivity. Students can participate in live quizzes, collaborate on projects with peers worldwide, and receive instant feedback on their progress. Artificial intelligence has created an adaptive learning environment that is driven by 5G low latency, creating opportunities for apps to monitor learners' individual progress and dynamically change the content. For instance, if there is a problem with a specific concept, the app can bring in supplementary exercise or alternative description without losing a learner. An example of how learning should be carried out. Adaptive learning technology supported by AI dynamically adjust content based on a student performance. For instance, if students struggle with a math concept, the app can suggest alternative approaches, additional exercises, or personalized tutorials. In Malaysia, mobile learning apps became essential during the COVID-19 pandemic and have since remained integral to education, offering scalable and personalized solution for diverse learners. That's it for my part. So I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafi and I'm here to talk about immersive learning experience, which is this tree is about AR. AR is augmented reality, VR is virtual reality, and XR is extended reality. These three components is enable learners to visual and interact with complex subjects in an immersive manner. The high bandwidth and low latency of 5G ensure that this application runs seamlessly by making the learning experience realistic and effective. In Malaysia, integrating AR or VR into STEM education and vocational training equips students with hands-on skills that are directly applicable to industry demands. For example, this can include is medical student practicing surgeries in virtual operating room. Another one is engineering student that designing and testing virtual models of machinery. Nice. For the next slide is about the smart classroom and IoT integration. IoT enables smart classroom collect and analyze real-time data from devices like smart boards, wearables, and sensors. This technology monitors students' engagement, tracks attendance, and evaluates comprehension during lesson. So it means like it's more easier than the real life conduct. For example, a smart attendance system in Malaysian school could provide detailed insight, such as identifying students who are less engaged or need additional support, enabling teachers to intervene proactively. So it's easier for students who slow in education. So this technology is better for every student in Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Sri Zubair and I will explain for the part of equity and inclusion. 5G equalizes and makes education inclusive. The service helps to provide high-speed connectivity in undeserved areas so that every student, regardless of where they are physically located, can access quality digital learning provision. According to that, students with special needs could also have access to technologies, for example, VR-based sensory stimulation learning and AI-powered accessibility tools. For instance, a visually impaired learner could make use of a mobile application converting printed text to voice, while a hearing-impaired one could be availed of said learning material through captioning technologies powered by AI. Local high-speed internet access for virtual higher education is being made available for the well-off. Besides physical institutions, there are other entities which enjoy the benefits of 5G scalability and flexibility when it comes to learning systems. Perhaps for in-class learning, students will usually sit for the lecture, while in another mode, they are free to attend their class virtually. This means that students and their teachers can always be able to switch between classroom learning and virtual interaction without having disruption or interruption. Organizations also have adopted this flexibility in corporate training programs, allowing different employees, all of whom may be in different locations, to have an individualized experience while learning the same content. Further, these types of hybrid learning models might bring solutions to the diverse educational needs of children from rural communities or who attend school to professionals scaling themselves for continuous learning through all working adults in between hybrid learning school and working studies. In a nutshell, the 5G world as well as some emerging technologies are on streamlining educational systems, but also modifying the modalities of learning. They support real-time interactivity, immersive learning, and inclusive education. Therefore, institutions can now deliver highly personalized, engaging, and impactful learning experience. For instance, 5G for education would be very crucial in making Malaysia a nation of knowledge in preparation for the challenges of the digital world.